Hey there, this is Jared from Agua Viva Ministries, and we want to let you know that we've been really impressed with you. Yes, you, our brothers and sisters north of the border, we have loved watching your commitment to the local church, especially in this last year. How you've done everything possible to serve, to do community, and to be the church where you are. We want you to know that we're also big fans of the local church, and here at Agua Viva, we are as committed as ever to strengthening the local Mexican church. We know that a lot of churches have missed serving in Mexico, and we also know that a lot of churches aren't in a position to bring a group right now. So we thought of a solution. It's called Missions from Home. You can get to know a local Mexican church, serve alongside them in ministry, and give your church a quick immersion experience in Mexico, all without leaving home. In this video, we're going to show you exactly what Missions from Home is, the steps you need to take to sign up, and how to make the most of the experience once you're in it. It's a 4-day video program designed to meet the same goals as a short-term mission trip, both for Mexico and for you and your group. You'll choose a partner church and sponsor a ministry project of theirs. Each day, you'll have videos about Mexico, stories from your partner church, project updates, touristy outings to beautiful Ensenada, and devotional videos with space for journaling or group discussion. You'll meet pastors, students, missionaries, and more, and our staff is on call to answer your questions and debrief with the team. At aguaviva.com/missionsfromhome, you'll find all the steps to sign up, as well as some of the ministries you can partner with. When you've confirmed your project and your date, 1 month out, you'll send your final headcount, mailing address, and project funds. We'll send you journals and snacks from Mexico, and start making the videos of your project in action. When it's time for your missions from home, get the group together around the biggest TV you can find and cook up some authentic Mexican food using tutorials from the Agua Viva kitchen. Every day, you'll have a tailor-made playlist guiding you through the program, and we close together via Zoom on the final day. The cost is $100 per person, which goes directly to support students of the Ministry Training Institute. That means every participant provides a student scholarship for half a month. Missions from Home is a transformative journey for you, your small group, or your church, and we look forward to seeing how God is going to use you to work in Mexico.